Welcome to Streamit. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to add a new movie in Streamit version 4.0. We'll also cover how to add movie genres, tags, playlists, cast, crew, and more. Let's start with adding a movie genre. Here, you can enter the genre name, the slug, and upload a genre image. You can also add a description to explain the genre. Next, let's add a movie tag. The process is the same as adding a genre. Enter the tag name, slug, and description. Now, let's add a new movie. Start by entering the movie name, selecting the author, and setting the status. You can keep it as a draft if needed. Also, set the movie slug here. Then, you can fill out the full movie details. Next, upload the movie thumbnail. This is required. In the excerpt section, add a short description of the movie. In the General tab, you can upload the actual movie file. You also have options to upload via third-party servers, iframes, or direct URLs. Then, set the release date, duration, censor rating, and language. You can now select recommended movies and recommended videos that will show up under this movie. Next, add the cast and their roles for this movie. Similarly, add the crew members and their respective roles. Under the Sources tab, you can add external sources, like download URLs, along with their quality and language. Now, attach the relevant genres and tags to this movie. In the Additional Data section, you can add the trailer link, whether the movie is upcoming, a portrait image, the IMDb rating, recommended WooCommerce products, SEO description, and whether to send a notification to users. You can also set the view count here. If the live streaming plugin is active, you'll see options to add advertisements to the movie. And if you have the Paid Membership Pro plugin activated, you can assign a membership level. This means only users with a subscription can access the movie. Once everything is set up, just click the Submit button to publish your movie. And that's it! Your movie is now live in Streamit. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to add a movie in Streamit 4.0. For more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.